Right now, in the cleaning aisle of your local grocery store, there is a plain bag sitting on the bottom shelf. It has no flashy logo, no multi-million-dollar ad campaign, and it costs less than a single dollar. You've probably walked past it 1,000 times, but the global cleaning industry, a $100 billion machine, is betting everything that you'll keep walking. Because if you knew what this powder could do, you'd never buy a bottle of specialized bathroom cleaner again. Before we reveal this forgotten mineral and the science behind it, do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We're on a mission to expose the expensive lies of big brands and help you save a fortune on home maintenance. Today, we're going to use a 200-year-old secret to dismantle mineral stains without a single scrub. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be throwing away half the chemicals under your sink. To solve the problem, we have to understand the enemy. In most homes, the water is hard. This means it's packed with calcium and magnesium. Every time a drop of water evaporates on your faucet, it leaves a microscopic layer of these minerals behind. Over months, these layers bond together, creating a structure as hard as rock. This is calcium carbonate. Here is the big lie. Most people reach for bleach, but bleach is an oxidizer. It's designed to kill bacteria and remove color from organic stains. It does absolutely nothing to minerals. When you pour bleach on a limescale stain, you are simply whitening the surface. The mineral deposit is still there, invisible, just waiting for the next drop of water to catch more dirt. This is why the stains always come back. Are you tired of scrubbing the same spot every week? Let me know in the comments what's the most stubborn stain in your house. To actually remove them, you don't need a bleach. You need a chelator. Meet our first hero, citric acid. First isolated in 1784, this organic acid is found in citrus fruits, but in its concentrated powder form, it's a miracle worker. Its power lies in a process called chelation. The word comes from the Greek chele, meaning claw. When citric acid molecules hit a calcium deposit, they physically wrap around the calcium ions, pulling them away from the surface. The bond is broken. The rock becomes water-soluble. You can actually hear this happening. That fizzing sound is the sound of chemistry doing the hard work for you. If you're finding this useful so far, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm show this to more people who are tired of wasting money. By the early 1900s, this was common knowledge. But after 1950, companies realized they couldn't patent a natural mineral. So they created proprietary blends and sold them back to you at a 4,000% markup. But what about those stubborn orange streaks? The ones that citric acid struggles with? That's where our second mineral comes in, oxalic acid. Found naturally in rhubarb, this acid is the king of iron. It reacts with rust, converting it into a colorless, water-soluble ion that can be rinsed away with zero effort. If you have an old house with iron pipes, this is your holy grail. A simple paste of this powder can make a 50-year-old stained porcelain sink look brand new in 15 minutes. Again, it's not about scrubbing, it's about contact time. Most people spray and wipe. The pros apply and wait. Pro tip: if you want to see a step-by-step tutorial on how to mix these at home, leave a comment saying recipe, and I'll make a short about it. The magic doesn't stop at the tub. Think about your coffee machine, your dishwasher, or your water heater. They are all dying a slow death because of the same mineral buildup. Scale acts as an insulator, meaning your appliances have to work harder and use more electricity. A single tablespoon of citric acid run through an empty cycle can restore a dishwasher's efficiency to factory levels. And your drains? Most clog removers use caustic soda to melt hair. But if your drain is slow because of mineral narrowing, those chemicals do nothing. A cup of citric acid followed by hot water dissolves the arteriosclerosis of your pipes, opening the flow without damaging the plumbing. We've been sold a dream of neon-colored sprays and fresh forest scents. But at the end of the day, cleanliness isn't a smell. It's the absence of unwanted matter. For $3, you can buy enough citric and oxalic acid to last a year. You don't need a cupboard full of plastic bottles. Thanks for watching until the very end. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more home hacks that actually work. Don't forget to share this video with a friend who's obsessed with cleaning. You might just save them a lot of money and effort. Remember, stop scrubbing and start dissolving. I'll see you in the next one.